Hey everybody, Mark here from Pondworks and Brisbane Golfer Specialist. Happy Father's Day to all the dads out there. Fantastic sunny day here in Brisbane, and I know Sunday's supposed to be a day of rest, but when you work in this industry, sometimes you've got to give back. And today I'm actually on my way to go and pick my son up first. Many of you have met Tyler and seen him working with us. Hence, it's my Father's Day, and it's also my Father's Day as well. So we're actually off to, we built a pond for my mother and father a bit over 12 months ago now, and last time I saw it, it was covered in alodia. There was a lot of weed in it, and well, it's springtime. It's that time of year to get in and clean things up. So let's go and get into it and get this pond cleaned up and get it back to looking what it should be for them. Yeah, this one's for you, Dad. Happy Father's Day.
The federal government has unveiled its latest plan to...
Hey mate, how you going?
Good.
Yeah, what?
You good there?
Yeah, I'm good. You good?
Yeah.
Happy Father's Day.
Yeah.
Oh, happy Sunday. Oh,
Yeah.
sorry. Good morning.
Hello, Mark.
Happy Father's Day.
Thank you.
We've come to clean your pond.
How are you, Tyler?
Did you get my notification text to say we're on the way?
Yes, that's why we're out of bed.
That's why you're out of bed? Catch a fish, you've got to think like one. Who needs a net? All right, so there you have it. Father's Day 2022. We've brought this pond back to what it looked like when it was new. Happy Father's Day, Dad.
Thank you, Mark.
Now you can enjoy your pond and keep living your aquascape lifestyle. Have a great day, everyone. Cheers.